Okay, so before starting this video, I am gonna give you a disclaimer that news trading will not give you run that what kind of trader you are. So guys, please trade news with very responsibility. If my suggestion will be avoid news if you have small capital, or if you have a big capital, just risk a small amount of news, because news is unpredictable. Basically, it's a very less chance that news will run, but as it's run our favor, which I have told on live stream that I am gonna clear a $5,000 account which I have bought of Shark Funded. It's not a promotion, nothing. I have just bought an account of Shark Funded and I have traded on it, and I have traded and passed with on a single trade in news. So let's come on the screen now and understand about how I have traded the news and why I was in the bias of selling. So let's start the recording of the live stream. Let's open the screen now. So you can see over here that this was the live stream trade. You can see this, which I have taken here. Okay, you can see it was before the NFP. I have already told here that sell stop should be activated, not activated before the news, because we always use stops, not direct entry, because you don't know when the price will go directly up or directly down. If it gone opposite to your favor, which may lose you account breach, or maybe the loss of your full funds of your capital. If you have opened a lot size which is double than you normally open your lot size. So and then see the news, it's shown 110 pips and we have booked the full profits over here. I will show you the MT5 screenshot also. The MT5 screenshot will also be visible to you here on the screen. Now the trade screenshot also. Okay, now before the news trade, I have also given another trade which has gone very good. Okay, which also showed 100 pips. It was a 20% quantity trade, so I don't matter that how it was like played. It's gone 75 pips. I have told to book it already. Now let's come on the chart and let's understand that why I have taken this trade on selling. So first let's pause this. Let's come on trading view. So now first we will go to Forex Factory. You can see that yesterday was 9th of January. I am recording on 10th on January. It was the news that non-farm employment charge, that is basically the NFP news. In NFP news, US government always wants that the first quarter opening, basically the new year, now the news should be positive for US dollars. US dollars positive means gold is gonna go down, because gold and US dollar is inversely proportional with each other, and the price action also showed that it can go downwards. Okay, so let's go on the charts and let's understand why it has moved first in downwards, then in upwards. Upward it had rallied, but first the momentum which came was downwards, and we have captured that. You can see the MT5 screenshot also, that where I have captured where I have booked, where I have entered, and where my sell stop got activated. I have already shown the live stream clip. Now let's cover the charts. So this was yesterday's NFP trade. I have cleared the last trade because I need a clean chart over there. I have shown that sell stop will be there. Keep minimum 20 pip risk, is for 20 pip risk, and I have aimed for simply 1:2. That is a 100 pips trade. I have told on live stream that book at 100 pips. Never gonna make any greediness while booking profits in news. Okay, so this gone. Now let's come on the chart and let's go on the price action. Okay, so you can see over here that market was ranging today. Market was ranging. So what's the problem of ranging is, because you can see over there that market shown a good selling. I think from here the market gone for selling, which trade we have captured on live stream also, which went for a good rally. I guess this was a trade. It's on a 5-minute time frame. Let's go on 1-minute time frame to understand good. I think that's what's the trade which we have taken on live stream. This trade, I'm not sure, but I think this trade. Now what you can see over in the short time frame, you can see that it created a resistance zone over here, and it has removed the seller over there. Here the sellers got removed. That means what? The short time frame sellers got removed. So what can market temporarily do? It will, when the sellers are out, that one is buying or pending, buyers are pending, so they will go to hunt the buyers liquidity. You can see the buyers over there, and NFP candle just sucked the buyers liquidity and went upwards. This was the basic prediction, and you can see about the data was not released that time, but it should be selling, because that is should be not, there is a chance that it can go selling. If I go to the dollar index chart of yesterday, you can see what happened on NFPs. Let's refresh the chart. huh, that's the dollar index candle. That dollar came down and gold initially gone up after the news. This was the section of news in which dollar shown a up momentum. Okay, so dollar, when dollar is up, that is means gold is gonna get down. So I have told you the price action, why I have thought that gold can go to downward side. That was just a prediction, guys. I am again telling you that don't trade news if you don't have enough capital or enough anything. So and the price action, I have told you that minimum, and I have booked at 110 pips in MT5 screenshot. You have guys have already seen that, and I have shown about the price action that it just liquidated the seller before just the news of a short time frame. That's why it has came for short first, then gone for a large long momentum. That is on this video. Now I am going to share you my this dashboard of this. I have got hit at my target. This is the dashboard over here. It's a shark funded account, guys. I have told you that I'm gonna clear. It's on review also, because I have traded for it like 2-3 days, but I was fixed that I'm gonna trade NFP on this account. That's it. It was not a so long video. It's just a 6-minute video where I have understand which I know I have just told you about NFP or any news, basically the liquidation concept, basically how price action work while trading in the news. That's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, and guys, try to avoid news. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.